Okay, YouTube, here we are for my second recording of the day, but my first video, because the audio on my first recording was completely messed up. So today, we're actually going to be doing a game of just normal, and we're going to be doing no vehicles on island with the Signal DMR. I always forget his names. With no vehicles, and this should be fun, so let's do this thing. We're actually going to wait for our friends here to spawn up, because we don't want to be alone. It's Valentine's Day, we don't want to be alone. So, here we go. These guys are going to go down that way, and this is my squad. That's weird. Normally they go in, like, conga lines, but, like, oh, guess they're back in conga lines. The developer, Steel Raven, I forget, I think he might have some numbers, but I forget the numbers. He actually tweeted that he was working on the AI currently, and they're going to be moving in squads in the next update, which I find really awesome. I think the next update might actually be on Steam, which I'm really excited for. It just got Steam greenlit, and it should be a hell of a lot of fun. So we're going to play this smart, because I don't want to die, or I want to die minimally. Seems like they go for that tower a lot. Yes, that's a thing. Well, dying minimally is not an option today, I guess. So, did I accidentally set it for 50? Because it seems like we're going through this game awfully quickly. We might have to do another. And, if that need be, then, I guess we'll have to do that. So, we've been playing for about 2 minutes, I'd guess. So, yeah. I actually have a clock right to my right, which can come in handy when recording, because, oh, that's a thing. So we're gonna try to stay behind cover here and ambush them when they get up to here, like, see? See, now he's dead. Now it's just 2 and not 3. Yeah, run back behind that tree, easy headshot. Easy headshot. Oh, now it's 3. Now it's 1 and not 3. Oh, hello there. Oh, goodbye. So, would you say that was successful? Because I don't really know. And I don't know if that was successful. I think that was kind of actually rather unsuccessful. Why does that always happen to me? Go for a zooming in and it's just like, no, it's time to die. Dead. Execution time. Slow motion execution. There's 4 people. I think that was pretty good. So we're gonna move up here and see if anybody's down here, and they're not. It's just a bunch of red blood, which I don't think is actually blood. He's dead. And oh no. I probably should have been smarter there and retreated and then cut them off up there. But that would have been smart, and we know that this is not smart. This hurted her. Yeah. Okay, doesn't. instead. And gee, oh my. That wasn't good. Nope. Not good at all. So it looks like this is going to be a pretty fast game, and next game I guess we'll just do another game and hop up the score a bit. Come on, pop your head out. Okay, and we're moving forward. Get him to duck down. Execution. Okay, these guys are down, and we move up. Or get shot in the head, whatever works for you, really. Yeah, it looks like this is gonna be a win. Rather quick one, too. I guess, should I use a different weapon next game and just get 2 down this episode? Because that might be good. Why are they all of a sudden sitting in there? Because I've never seen them sit in there before. That's a huge thing that we have to worry about. I feel like he's patched it without us knowing. So, well, I think he might be a bit dead now there. So how's everybody's Valentine's Day? So I'm sorry if I was getting a bit quiet there. I was just really concentrated on making that pistol shot. So my Valentine's Day was good. Nothing really significant happened. But, yeah, so we've been doing this game for about 7 minutes now, I guess. 6 to 7 minutes. So, yeah, we're just gonna do another game this size with another weapon. Probably the AK-47, or not RK-77 or 44. Wow, sir. You know, I'm gonna move up here since I have a mid-ranged rifle. I'm gonna snipe some noobs. It's gonna be pretty good. So, if anybody has some good editing programs, leave a comment down below. And if you don't have some good editing programs, leave a comment down below. I guess what I'm saying is just leave a comment down below. Hit marker. Look at me. Hashtag LeetCodPro. He's dead, isn't he? You see, you want to aim kind of close to them. Just enough so that they hesitate. And then they, yeah. Oh, we won. So we'll just hop into another game. It's that easy. So we're going to go 300, I think that's what we had. And 80 and 1. This time we're not going to do no vehicles. And we're actually going to choose the RK-44. Which leaves only one more weapon to be used, which is the Recon LRR, I think it is. Which is the Reconnaissance Long Range Rifle. And that should be fun. I think we're going to do that next episode. And here we go on our quad bike adventures with Gilded Tree Frog. I'm a pro. That took down almost all of my quad bike's health. You know they're going to be bringing a tank up through here, right? Because I know that. So I'm just going to leave that as a little trap. Yeah, a tank's definitely coming. You can feel it. I can't tell if he has a gunner. Evidently so. And, I guess we're just gonna take this Jeep, because, you know, nobody needs this old thing. We are winning, though, and that's what matters. Doesn't matter if we're having fun. Fun is for losers. Winning is for winners. Look at that stuck Jeep. That stuck Jeep is for losers. That tank is for winners. Wow. That was kind of pathetic. Come on. Let me live. Really? Was that necessary? For him to just pull out that gun and be like, yo. Sorry if that was offensive. I'm just gonna take a nice drink from this lemonade that I have. Some good lemonade. I think it's actually Arizona iced tea lemonade. It's not like iced tea lemonade, it's just by Arizona iced tea and it's lemonade. Don't go assuming my my iced beverage. Okay, looks like there's I'll try to get to there. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. You know, that was good up until I died. And that's where it all went bad. Okay. If they get to 150 before we get to 240, I'm gonna shoot this guy. Okay, I was wrong. I won't shoot him. They're in a very bad position. And here we go. We're going up here through here. And we're gonna check this corner here. Yay, I was useful. Hooray, being useful. Did they just let the shotgun guy go past? Okay, good. He didn't. He's useful to the team. Just gonna sit here and wait for them to run up, and then bang bang. Gonna pop some caps into their asses. We have this place on lockdown right here, this area. It's the area of operations. Did I wanna, yes, I stopped the Jeep. Can't think of the word right now because I just can't. I'm constructive, I guess, is a good word. I'm not big words, I'm smart. Not smart enough to avoid dying, though. Looks as though my brother is going to bed. I should be after this video, too. So, is that a tank, or is it, it's just a Jeep? They should have some way of dismounting somebody from a tank without destroying the tank. 'Cause that would be cool. Okay, looks like this guy's holding down that fort with his pistol pretty good. Good job, guy. Oh my god, he's an idiot. Just ran right in front of my gun. I feel like they would teach you not to do that exact thing in Army school. Army school? That's exactly what it's called. Totally not called like boot camp or anything like that. Training. Nope. It's Army school. Oh, you're still alive. You we're still alive. Okay, we're gonna try to... We should rush this thing, but right about now, and, Gonna run. Let's go. That is so close. So close. Then I died. We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it in this Jeep. We're gonna camp that thing right there. We're just gonna kill anybody who walks by. That was some good driving right there. Are we stuck? I feel like we're stuck. Nah, we can get to that. If we try really hard and believe, we're gonna get through here. Come on, take that guy out, please. Side driver. You know, I think that's the closest I've come, and I'm proud of it. Yeah, I was not gonna survive that. Unless I used slow motion. Then I probably could have. But, who knows? And we're nearing a victory again. So, I'm just gonna parkour on these fences a bit. It would be really cool if, like, when you fell, you could, like, sprain your ankle and stuff, but, that would be boring. Bad gameplay. Yep, we've got the last tower. It's pretty much all over. I'm just gonna finish this clip, and then we are done. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Ravenfield. Yeah, check out my other videos. Hit a like and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next video.